On the occasion of today's World Whisky Day, here is the recipe of a traditional Scottish dessert, which originated as a humble harvest dish. Nowadays, often prepared with cream, it was originally made with Crowdie cheese, a Scottish fresh cheese of medieval origins, which consists of soured milk. So, no rennet involved. Originally, it would be fresh, unpasteurized milk left at room temperature without any curdling agent. You can also use pasteurized milk with a tablespoon of lemon. The milk is heated until it curdles and then drained in a cheesecloth. It is then blended with honey and whiskey, topped with a whiskey-infused oat crumble and raspberries.